Baki TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkol Sangma uloong ba ke wikat bat ke MYE kat balapan mana da All India Trinamool Congress kadi Tang ki Baki kat bat ongru ba ke Focus Plus ki dei ki scheme ki bashisha bat ki bayarap ban pin mentoy ya ki paj ba nong snong jong kejelam mi gelaya borok ko wei hak jinga kran bi gelat pathai kubor hak khan ru tore kulaling kot arja apulai Konrad Sangma uloong ba buan ki paj ba ki balapun ru kerteng banyo ai ke wikat bat ke MYE kat kila keren biriam bat ki Tang ki Baki kat.
For the TMC, they are promising. So a lot of people in the village have taken the card and registered, and they are all saying it's a Baki card. So Baki mein. So basically, it's a promise. Of course, a lot of promises can be made, and political parties have the right to make promises. But what is the difference between this government and what we are doing and the TMC's promise is that we are actually giving already. We are actually doing things on the ground. We are actually supporting the farmers and the women's self-help groups and the different youth groups, even before we promise or before we talk about it. So for our government, it's about action, and we've been clear and we have actually done it. And ours is not a Baki card, but ours is a real thing that's happening on the ground. So Focus and Focus Plus are real things. People are getting benefits from it. More than 3 lakh farmers have already benefited from Focus and Focus Plus.